Hi.
Hi.
Can I take your name, please?
Yeah, Anupama Jain.
Anupama Jain.
Yes.
Hi, Anupama.
Hi.
So you just told me you're not a rider right now, but you're very
not.
soon planning to do this. So what's
Yes.
this shift sudden? I mean, what happened?
So it's actually like almost a 20 years journey when I learned how to ride a bike.
Oh, okay.
I was riding R15. अपने भाई की उधार लेके मैं उसको राइड करती थी, चॉकलेट देती थी, उससे बाइक ले लेती थी. And when I was in 12th standard, there was a Independence Day song happening, और उसमें मेरा रोल था कि लड़कियों के चक्कर काटना है बाइक से. So at that time, so it was long back, nostalgic quite. तब मैंने पापा से सीखी थी बाइक, and I used to ride bike. I was famous in my college engineering कि ये लड़की बाइक से आती है.
Oh, great.
Yeah, and then later on I moved to switch to 4-wheelers.
Okay.
But I'm planning to do it again now with my son. I think my son and I are gonna ride a bike now soon.
So do you think such an event inspires people, motivates?
It inspires, it creates a community for you, it inspires you, and also you get to see that, the mindset that you have, that riding a bike is not safe. When you attend a festival like this, or even like when ride safety, the road safety is being conveyed to you, and they tell you how to ride safe and all these measures they are taking. You saw that today's ride, it was excellent, it was brilliant today.
Great.
Everything in the formation was excellent, right? So then you get inside of you that ki, हाँ यार ये बहुत safe है. I told you I'm gonna ride it with my son now. I need the safety. So definitely these events are quite encouraging. They build up the confidence to go on road, considering कि इतना ज़्यादा road पे every 4 seconds एक accident होता है, but you can prevent that with road safety and taking the proper measures.
Awesome.
So this is what this event was all about, and I'm glad I attended this event.
Great. So you just said that you used to ride earlier.
I used to.
Now you're planning to again, but you've been on the road since forever now.
Yes, yes.
What's the difference that you see in the traffic, or let's say the riders or the car drivers? What do you
know,
say?
R15 I used to ride. I just told you. उस टाइम पे उस गाड़ी को 3 सेकंड में आप 60 पे मतलब इन 5-6 सेकंड आप 60 पे फुल कर लेते थे, और वो हो जाती थी. क्यों हो जाती थी? क्योंकि रोड खाली रहता था. You won't even cross like 10 meters in 3 seconds.
That's true.
So that is the difference. There is a lot of people, and it's good, and we are developing as a developing nation. But then there are measures that I think a rider should keep in mind. उनको कैसे लेना है. There is a drastic change in the road. For the halat of the roads also you can see nowadays. So definitely road safety comes again and again in that. And यार अभी भी riders में जुनून होता है. It's about passion.
Yes.
So external factors doesn't matter when it's coming from inside. Riding is not
the rule
just
is first to be safe yourself.
Commute. मुझे नहीं लगता कि riders जो यहाँ पर ये सिर्फ commute करने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं, they have been spending, they are awake since 4 o'clock, 3:30 in the morning, and they are still here till afternoon. Yes. And you see the faces, they are all still standing strong, right? Smiling. So I think it comes from inside that you have the passion to ride. Yes. And that's what drives the entire community, and that's what drives yourself. So bike ride is an excellent thing to let go and bring the peace for you.
So how soon are we seeing Anupama riding a bike then?
Very soon. I'm telling you because it is something that I wanted to since a long time. That's why I'm here as a pillion also. Otherwise, who would want to spend a Sunday on a bike ride?
Yes, it's all about brotherhood. Yes. So Anupama, we'll be looking forward to see you riding very soon. So we should look into your Instagram for that. Please mention if you'd like to.
Yeah, it's Anupama Jain _. That's it.
Anupama Jain _ people. We look forward
follow,
to
like, and we stay in connect.
Awesome. Thank you, Anupama.
Thank you.
So much.
Bye bye.